Hey, Edgewood Scholars. So for Wednesday's lesson, again, you're going to need two objects to roll. Okay, you can use any ball, or if you have socks at home again, you can use those to roll. Now you're also going to set up some water bottles. If you have water bottles at home or anything that you can set up, you're going to set them up like this. You're going to need at least 5 to 6 water bottles to set them up like this for this lesson, okay? And then, so what we're going to do is you're going to get in front of, you're going to set them up like this, take about 5 or 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn, and now you face the water bottles and you're ready to demonstrate your rolling skills.
Now, Coach is going to demonstrate with the two objects he has towards the water bottles.